Chengdu, I wanna see Chengdu. I really wanna see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, oh too.
Okay, maybe a little bit of a fun one. We're in Chengdu. We're in Taikoo Li. This particular area, and I'm going to put some images behind me. I'll put it up on the map first, and then I'll put these images behind me where you can see all these YouTubers who are capturing this particular street in particular. And I found out why. So what they do is they hang out with their cameras, and I'll show you some of those images as well. And then they try to capture the girls when they walk down. And I guess the girls must know it too, obviously, because they're kind of seem to be aware of it. I mean, they must be, right? Anyways, it's interesting, very, very interesting. So what I'm doing is this is my fourth video of Chengdu. I got about a dozen, so I got quite a few more. And this particular day, it's still my first day in Chengdu, and I'm filming. And I'm aware of this street, and I'm trying to capture and trying to get a feel for exactly what's happening. And what I'm seeing is a lot of guys with cameras, and I think they're creating their own YouTube content, and probably even more so for the Chinese ones. There's a lot of Chinese equivalents of YouTube. I imagine must be even more on there. But anyways, Chengdu does have a reputation for having some of the most beautiful women, and it does seem to be attracting kind of a whole little industry, little economy there of capturing this through the camera lens as well. Anyways, I know what you really want to do is just watch me try to figure this out while I'm walking around this area called Taikoo Li in Chengdu. So we're on this area in Taikoo, and basically they're just trying to capture anytime they see something kind of beautiful, so they captured that woman over there. And so there's a few of them right there, and I saw a lot more down that way as well. So this is the street where we see like Chengdu beauties and kind of capturing that whole scene. So they come down this way and then they capture. So it's kind of interesting. Anyways, I'm going to do a whole video about it. This is Chengdu. This is number 4. I've done 2 by a waterfront, and then 1 here. This woman's coming down, so they're going to try to capture her. So they're capturing that one as well. So actually they're all coming down and capturing that. So kind of cool. So we're going to capture some of that ourselves.
Chengdu, I want to see Chengdu. I really want to see Chengdu, Chengdu. Oh yeah, oh too.
Okay, so this is the street where they're photographing. So there's a lot of people with cameras, and there's a few behind me. So what I notice is that if they see a woman, then they'll kind of all line up to try to capture it. So we're gonna walk right into the crowds, see if we can see one, and then we're gonna see the kind of the frenzy, and all the people with the cameras will come out. Yeah, actually when you watch it, it kind of feels like, you see these YouTube videos, it feels like there's a lot of them coming, but actually most of the people are just normal. I'm surprised. So let me just kind of see. I think these ones are probably going to get a lot. So when they come in, okay, so I bet this is going to create a frenzy right here. So now you got all the guys with the cameras, and then I think that what'll happen is they'll kind of follow them down a little bit. So then you can see all the cameras right there. Okay, so now you can kind of see what's happening. So as they walk down, everybody comes in with the cameras and they'll follow them down. So there's like a stream of people, and then there'll be more people with cameras up here too. So let's go up there a little bit and try to capture that. So yeah, so that's actually how it works. So as they walk down, people will come with the cameras and capture it. So that's kind of interesting. So we're going to try to see if we can capture another one. Yeah, so basically people come down this whole street with cameras. And I think some of them lay back because there's going to be more people coming. So they'll wait for that. And you can see all the people with cameras, right? So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to walk all the way back and just kind of see if we see another one of those as well. It's actually interesting because as I got my camera out, the people with cameras are looking at me and seeing what I'm filming. But I'm trying to capture them capturing the scene and trying to understand it a little bit. But it's kind of interesting, like why they choose certain people. Okay, so that's the scene. Kind of got it on camera a little bit. And actually I feel a little bit weird filming it because all those guys are trying to capture those shots. And I'm lots of crowds of people everywhere, so. But as you can see, most people are, it's just a few people that are dressed exceptionally well or different. And then the photographers grab the shots. But I'm gonna head on out. Yeah, so this is the Taikoo Alley. There's another photographer right there. So he's waiting. He's just gonna walk right into the middle of everything. Okay, so that's that Taikoo scene. Now I kind of have a better understanding of it. I kind of wonder like who they target in particular, but anyways, so now we're out at, so you can see Taikoo Li. Kind of, that's where the taxi dropped me off earlier. And I'm gonna explore some other city streets in Chengdu. Taikoo Li.